moving on to Module 2. Module 2 covers some real facts about how food is broken down and nutrients are used in the body. And in addition to being used, they may also be stored or they may be gotten rid of if they're undigestible. And you're also confronted with some facts about how alcohol is used and its effects on the body. This is great information to know. And as Module 2 moves into carbohydrates, I want to emphasize something covered already in Chapter 1, but might be missed by some of you. It's summarized on page 8 of your textbook, but it talks about the energy-yielding nutrients. And so basically carbohydrate, protein, and fat are the only ones that provide calories or energy to your body. And each of these nutrients receives full coverage in a chapter in your textbook. Carbohydrate yields 4 calories per gram, fat 9 calories per gram, and protein 4 calories per gram. You'll use this information and gain more understanding of that as you do some assignments. Alcohol also contains calories and provides about 7 calories per gram. Carbohydrate is big, of course, these days in the world of dieting, but contrary to much popular opinion, research continues to show that the best diets contain whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, all which are carbohydrate containing. And that's all we'll cover for now.